Okay, good morning from the Old West here in southern Nevada. You know, a few weeks ago I posted a video on this Marlin 357 lever action, and man, I'll tell you what, I got a lot of hits on that video, a lot of good comments. So I figured I have 3 Marlins, let's make another video. So we're going to take a look at my 3 guns, and then we're going to put some rounds through them, have a lot of fun, and hopefully you guys enjoy my video. Okay, rifle number 1. Again, this is the 357 Magnum. This is a model 1894 CS 357, also shoot 38 special. Got a nice walnut stock on it. 10 round capacity. Just bought this one not too long ago. I think it was made probably in 2018, 2019. It's not very old. Holds 10 rounds in the magazine. Man, I love shooting this rifle. Really a nice shooting lever action. Rifle number 2. Another model 1894. This one is chambered in 44 Magnum. Now this one was made in 1981, so it has the gold trigger on it. The barrel is stamped JM for John Marlin, and it does not have the safety on the receiver, the old push button safety. A lot of people don't like that. Me, it doesn't bother me, but man, what a great shooting rifle. Nice walnut stock. I picked this one up probably about 4 years ago from a friend. Got a good deal on it, couldn't pass it up. Just really a great rifle. In fact, it's one of my favorite rifles. Aha! Probably never seen one of these before. This is a Marlin model 30TK, chambered in 30-30. 18.5-inch barrel, has a short magazine which holds 4 rounds, birch stock. This one was actually made for Kmart by Marlin, and they were only made for 3 years, 88, 1989, and 1990. I actually bought this one at Kmart in, I believe it was 1990. Got a really good deal on it. It was on clearance. Can't remember if I paid 130 or 160 for it, but it don't matter. It's not for sale. And still have the original box, and I have the old ugly camouflage sling that came with this. Again, 30-30. 30TK. Kmart exclusive. Again, this is definitely one of my favorite rifles. If you watch a lot of my videos, you know I like short-barreled rifles. I like to shoot fast. And man, this one I can get on target quick. It's got the power of 30-30 behind it, and just absolutely love it. So, let's load up and do some shooting. I'm going to fire 2 rounds out of each rifle, starting with the 357. .44. And of course the 30-30. Yeah. Hey guys, good news. My son will be down in just a few seconds. Hey son, how you doing?
Good, how's it going?
Good. What do you got there?
This is a M72 Laws rocket. Picked this baby up on eBay.
Really? What are you gonna do with it?
Shoot it.
Well, not in this video, maybe next time. Is that thing real?
Why would I bring it if it wasn't real?
Let's see that. Holy tamale. I don't know. Maybe next time. So anyways, let's load up, guys, and do some shooting. Did I ever mention I love Halloween? All right, 44 Magnum. Yeah. .44 Magnum. Right in the face.
.357.
How's my hat?
Great.
Did I ever tell you I love Halloween? .44 Special. Hollow point.
Whoa!
Come on, son. Ew. I shot the can, but apparently some of it come out the top of her head. That's enough to make you throw up. I'm gonna take this stupid hat off. All right, got 5 gallons of water. My son's gonna shoot it with the .44 Magnum, and then we'll set up another one. He'll shoot it with the .30-30, and I'm gonna have a GoPro inside the truck. Should be pretty neat. Okay, you ready, son?
Yep.
All right. All right. Action. Whoa, whoa, cut. What are you doing?
I want to shoot the rocket.
No. Get the .44 Magnum. You're not going to shoot that today. Okay?
All right, I'll get the 44.
Put that thing back on eBay, will you? Nice.
That was pretty cool. The rocket would have been cooler. 30-30. .30-30.
Nice. Can you hit that hat from here?
Let's see.
I think you got it.
I don't know.
All right, nice shot. .30-30. Oh yeah, can of refried beans. Expired June 2008. Whoa! Oh my Lord!
We got shit dripping from the ceiling over here.
Oh, my poor GoPro. Whoa! Whoa.
Killed him.
Yep, you killed him. Gonna wear that again? Well,
Why
you're
not?
sick. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. We had a blast today. Absolutely love my Marlin rifles. If you can find one, especially an old used one, pick it up because very well made. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.